Since we're talking about adding and subtracting them, I'm going to give you what I mandate, or I don't even want to suggest because I require, I guess, for you to do. No matter what the problem is, your first step, let's say I'm adding 2/4 plus 3/4 together. We change that. 2/4 plus 1/4. If I'm adding those together, your first step is always, just like normal addition and subtraction, I want you to write them up and down. Write up and down. Okay, that means you are going to write this problem as 2/4 plus 1/4. Okay. Step number 2, you aren't going to have to do, but I'm going to put it there because eventually you will. Okay. In order to add or subtract fractions together, you have to make the denominators. I am the denominator. The same. They have to be the same number. Okay, but fortunately for you today, they already are the same number. In this case, they're both 4s, and that is well and good. And then step 3 is you keep the denominator the same. And you just add or subtract the top, whichever the case might be. By the way, the top is called the numerators. Okay. Which means if you have 2/4, and if you took out your little pieces, and you took out 2 of the 1/4 pieces, you don't have to do it because I think you can visualize this. You know, if you had 2 of the 1/4 pieces that didn't really work out very well. 2 of the 1/4 pieces. There's a 1/4 piece, and here's a 1/4 piece. If you have 2 of them, and you take one of them away, what would you be left with? Just 1/4. In other words, I'm sorry. I probably should actually do the problem there. I'm not doing taking away, I'm actually. If I have 2/4 and add another 4th to it, okay, I end up with 1, 2, 3 fourths. Notice you don't add the bottom. I don't get 3 1/8 pieces. I get 3 1/4 pieces. I get 3 fourths. So the bottom stays the same. You just add the top parts together. And the same thing is true with subtraction. If you have 7/8 minus 5/8, again, and I know you can do this in your head, I don't care. On your paper you will write 7/8 minus 5/8. Same bottom number, so you can write the bottom down automatically. What is 7 minus 5? 2/8. And I don't believe you're asked to reduce just yet. So if you remember reducing or whatever, you don't have to worry about it. Although you do need to, let me see. You do need to, here's one right out of the book. They have 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. If you write all those up and down, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. If you add all those together, again, you still have fourths on the bottom. What do you get if you add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? 12. You do need to change 12/4 into, yeah, it's a division problem. Your answer is just 3. So that's kind of what I need to see on the homework there. I think that's pretty much it. Did we do any subtractions?
Yes.
3/4 minus 1/4. I know you can do that in your head, but eventually not. Keep the same bottom, subtract back the tops, and it's perfect.